We are located here in Christiana, Pennsylvania, and so we refer to this project as CampPad. What CampPad does is they manufacture log cabins, which then they ship out nationwide to different parts of the country.
Park models are a great option because they're very plug and play. They're very easy for people to set up. They work really great if you have land somewhere and you just like to set up a quick little getaway. And we really have a lot of different styles. So we have very rustic actual log stack, which look familiar to a log cabin. And then we have very modern park model homes, also sometimes referred to as tiny houses. We like to think that we have a little bit of something for everybody.
There's a lot of competition and a lot of different options out there. I think something that's really important to us is quality. We really try to design them with how our client's going to use them, so we kind of have the end goal in mind and then work backwards from there so that we can design the best product for our clients.
They are beautiful. You can tell the workmanship is outstanding. I mean, clearly they put a lot of thought and a lot of quality into each and every cabin that they built.
So I remember kind of early on, and the climate control was something that our clients expressed was very important. A lot of our models, especially with the park models, they're 400 square feet or less, which is pretty small. So you definitely don't have room for traditional ductwork. We ended up going with LG ultimately because of the quality of the product, the availability, the warranty, and the serviceability of them.
LG's heating capacity is second to none. What really set LG apart was the 98-foot of line set. They were able to set the outdoor unit and pipe to the indoor units without having to add any additional refrigerant, which was a huge time saver for them. The other nice part about them is they can control these units remotely. A cabin owner, they can set their comfort levels before they leave the house so that it's up to temperature when they get there.
So we've now sold LG for approximately 8 years. And the level of support is unmatched. They've been great every step of the way.
The LG brand is a product that we stand behind and we know our customers are going to have a really good experience with. They're going to have a comfortable home that's as hot as they want, as cold as they want.
LG has been one of the best lines of equipment that we have brought in the last 20 years. Their service, their support is outstanding, and their equipment is of highest quality. When we put a piece of LG equipment into one of these cabins, regardless of where it's being shipped to extreme cold or extreme heat, we know that those units will perform.